Okay, so I'm back with the first episode of That's What She Said. Like I said before, it's about stuff that really grinds my gears. It really is. Okay, like I said, Kanye West. Okay, he did what he did. Okay, let's get over it. I'm tired of all the people saying, oh, he was wrong, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's either you're going to listen to him or not. It doesn't matter. I like Taylor Swift. I bought a CD the day after it happened. That's not why that I bought the CD to support her because of what happened, but just because I liked her CD and I had a Target gift card. So whatever. Go Taylor Swift. So, Kanye West, do what you do. You know, whatever. I heard he's supposed to be making songs against Obama because he called him a jack butt or whatever, but that's what he wants to do. That's fine. He has money. He can do whatever he wants. You know, the world's not gonna stop spinning. He might think so, but you know, whatever. It doesn't matter. Also, the Lady Gaga situation. She can have a winner if she wants to. She have to cut it off. If she has one, that's fine. You still gonna listen to her, or you're not. I'm so tired of people like, oh, she that's a dude, man. That's a dude. Did you hear that's a dude? I don't care. I like Lady Gaga too. She's the white version of Beyonce. I think I'm not racist or anything. I'm just saying. Beyonce goes hard too. I'm just saying. So just freaking get over it. That's all I have to say. Just get freaking over it. Oh, and I would like to make a cartoon. So if anybody knows how to draw and edit and all this other stuff, I have this tablet of all my cartoon ideas. I don't want to leak out anything that any of my ideas, you know, because people might steal them. But if you are into drawing and doing stuff like that, that would be wonderful. Hit me up on a personal message, and then maybe we can do something, I guess, or whatever. But yeah, some of you guys know about my other videos. Thanks for all the views and all that other stuff, subscriptions and everything. Subscriptions, I'm sorry, my bad. And you probably think this is really boring, but I don't know how to do all the editing stuff with all the cartoons in the background, green screen. I ain't got all that. So just let me know if this is a show that you would like to think about. Give me topics to talk about, because I'm open. I'm open for anything. Yeah. So that's what she said.